Welcome to this tutorial on minimalist logo design in Adobe Illustrator. In this video, we'll explore how to create clean, simple, and effective logos that capture the essence of your brand with minimalistic aesthetics. We'll guide you through the process of using Adobe Illustrator's powerful tools to craft a sleek, professional logo that stands out. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will provide you with the techniques and tips needed to create stunning minimalist logos. Let's get started. Welcome to HLGRAPHICS. Let's conquer the new world of graphics. First, we will use the ellipse tool. Through this we will take a shape. But it will not be circle, but we will take it in length. That is, the oval shape will be taken. We're going to take this on the stroke and finish off the fill dot. Here's the stroke. We're going to take 60 points. This is going to be thick enough to give you a really good look, and then we're going to move on. With the help of the selection tool, we will select the shape and we will go to the add anchor point tool, means we will add another point inside the shape from where we will use it. Now we will click on the point we have added with the help of direct selection tool and press the delete button. In this way a part of the oval shape will be deleted, then we will work further. Now, with the help of selection tool, we will grab this shape and we will not right click on it. We will go to transform and click on reflect. There are two options in front of us, vertical and horizontal. Here we will click on vertical. And we will click on the copy. In this way we will have a copy of this shape in front of us. To create a mirrored version of the shape, follow these steps. Use the selection tool to select the new shape dot. Right click on the selected shape to open the context menu dot. Navigate to the transform option and select a reflect. In the reflect dialog box, choose the horizontal option to invert the shape horizontally dot. Click OK to apply the transformation dot. Now, the new shape will be inverted and positioned in front of the original shape. Now expand these shapes and your logo is ready. With your minimalist logo design complete, it's time to create an impressive presentation using Photoshop. Utilize various mockups to showcase your logo, such as shirt mockups, 3D logo mockups, and silver mockups. These diverse mockups will help you visualize how the logo appears in different contexts and materials, enhancing its appeal and demonstrating its versatility to clients or audiences.